Hi, you are welcome to my channel Smart Polished. Today in this section I will discuss some of the problem that is given in Bridge Lab. I think hopefully most of the candidate knows about Bridge Lab. There is some simple question they are giving. First question, second question of level basic programming and intermediate is those questions, and there is one hard level questions for from linked list. So each of the question I will discuss here with the Python solutions. So let's get started. So all the problems I solved out here, and I did this thing with the Python programming. So let's get discuss with the first problem, and we'll give the solution for that. So in the first problem, it is told that sum of the three integer adds to 0. I means there is an array. So from the array, any three of the element of the arrays sum to will be 0. You should have to find those elements. Suppose I'm given an example right here. Suppose your array element is 2, 5, minus 4, 7, 3. Suppose it has happened. So what will the three element it will gives to 0? You can see none of the thing will give to 0 because minus 4 is there, and all the others, none of them are 4, so it will not possible to give solution for that. So what happened, take another minus element, take minus 3 element. So what happened, this 3 element will give the summation 0 is minus 3 one element, another element minus 4, and another element 7. If you add 3 this element, so you will get minus 3, minus 4, and 7, whose total is 0. So we'll do the solution for that. Here is the Python solution. So I'm taking and function definitions with the name of triplet, and in this triplet I'm passing two argument. One is array. Array is nothing, the array or the list, and array length, and I want the summation. And already I declared these things, that array is taken from the user input. It is the user input array which is space separated. It is of type list, and we will take the multiple value. That's why we are using map function, and all the element of the array will be integer, and it will take the input values, and input values will be separated by space. That's why we are using split. After that, what happened, we are measuring the length of the array by this line, and we are defining the sum is 0. We can do anything from here. If you want the summation 10, then you will modify at here, summation equal to 10. If you want 0, then keep it 0, no problem. So what happened, these three argument I'm passing to the function. In the first case, what happened, I'm doing a for loop, and for loop will start it for I from 1 to length of the array minus 2. What does it means? Because when you will calculate these things, when you will do the calculations of this thing array, so you will take one element from the whole array, another element will take from minus 1 of the array, I mean whatever the array length minus 1, and third element will be length of the array minus 2. So just keep it this thing in the reverse way, and we are doing the calculation the same. So what happened, so for the first cases, these loops will goes from 0 to array length minus 2. Up to this it will goes, and array I started from 0. So what happened, next loop will started from for I plus 1. What is I means? I means 0, and it will start from 1. So exactly the j will be started from 1 to length of the array minus 1. That's why up to here. So the length is same all the cases. See, the range is from 0 to length minus 2 is the same meaning of I plus 1 to length of the array minus 1. It is the same meaning, and another loop will goes, and it will takes the whole loop, sorry, whole array. So in that case, k values will be j plus 1. I mean it will be started from 2, and it will goes up to the length of the array, I mean whole length of the array. So from this range, any of this value from the array of I, any of this value array of j, and any of this value array of k equal to sum. What is the sum means? Sum is 0. If it is found that any of these conditions, the previously defined condition, it satisfies the if conditions, then it will printed those element array element of ith element, first one, second one, and last one, it will be find and it will be printed. And there is no need to break statement. You can put it here break statement also. If there is multiple found, then it's possible. Neither, if it is found only one times, then there is no need to give in the break statement. So I think hope you understand. So let's run the programs and understand how it's work. So given an array, randomly I'm giving an array 7, 8, 9, suppose minus 5, 6, minus 4. I'm giving this array. So think about that, which three element will give the answer. So I don't know. So let's run the programs by pressing enter. These three element will give you the summation 0. Exactly. See, minus 5 and minus 4 is minus 9 and 9. Those summation is 0. So we got the solutions and we got the element as well. So let's try with a different number. So given another array, space separated, like 8, minus 7, minus 4, minus 3, minus 11, and 13, 41, 22, minus 13 again. So let's see, run with that. So you will not get any solution because none of the three element will give you the summation of 0. So modify this one if any others, so we'll get something else. Yeah, you will get the two solution for that. Think about here, 8 and 3 is 11, minus 11, you got one solution. Another solution we got that minus 11 and 3 is minus 14 and plus 14 is 0. So hopefully you will understand. So it is my procedure to solve and to get the three element which sum is a particular. You can change the code or you can change everything where you want the summation equal to 0. That's why I predefined here the summation as a 0. If you want 10, 5 or something else, you can change this code at here and you'll get the solution. Hopefully you will understand. If you have any alternative solution, please comment in the comment sections below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.